Welcome to my channel. So you want to learn how to reset your engine oil service warning? Check it out. In order to reset your engine oil service warning, the vehicle needs to be off. So keep your foot off the brake and just tap the start button once. Then in the lower left corner of your gauge cluster, press and hold the trip reset button until the engine oil prompt comes up with reset possible. Then push and hold that trip reset button again until you see reset with a question mark. Then press and hold the trip reset button one more time until you see reset in progress. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Hope that helps. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, please do, because I feel like you've been missing out on life. If you liked the video, hit the like button. Cool? Later. I think it looks neat. I feel like I'm in Star Wars. Warp speed!